Hello everybody, today we are going to speak about how to convert any 2D image from midjourney or from any website to animation like that. So we will work with a lot of photo today and how to convert any image to amazing animation like that. So before we start, don't forget to subscribe for my channel and like for my video, and let's get started. So first of all, we need to create our image. For example, maybe we can imagine and boy picture style in front of camera, full body, ultra details, running in beside building, old style, AR 16:9. Okay, and let's create this one. Nice. Maybe we can make variation from this photo. Imagine. Okay, it's the same. Pixel style, full body, running beside pyramids, because I'm Egyptian. Pyramids. Okay, and Sphinx. Maybe we can handsome boy, picture style in front of camera, full body, ultra details. Okay, sorry. Okay, maybe we can, or maybe we can take this one but upscale. Okay, so I will take this one, or maybe this one. Okay, maybe we can take this one. Okay, wait a little bit and we will make it upscale. Zoom out 1.5. Okay, which one? I think all of them is the same, but maybe we can take this one. Okay, so choose upscale this number 2. After that, what I'm going to do now, we need to save this image. After that, what I'm going to do now, we need to go to runwayml.com. So you have 3 options. You can pay for upgrade, update your plan. I make this for test. I didn't pay anything. Just I will use this free plan. Just we can test 3 project. Okay, now go to text to video, start, skip. Okay, so drag and drop your image here. Just we need to drag and drop, download. So I have this image, and we don't need to type anything, just say generate. Make sure you make subscribe and like for this video. I want to arrive to 20,000 subscribe in last of this month, inshallah. Okay, so now if you look here, wow, not perfect, but if you look here, they changed this one. So maybe we can try with another one with nothing here in background. Okay, maybe we can handsome boy, imagine handsome boy pyramids running, boy running, picture style in front of full body, okay, dark background, okay. So let's see what I think. Maybe we will take this one, I think this will make variation with animation. Oh, okay, so I will take this one and zoom U3, and we need to make zoom out 1.5 x. So now what we, so if you look here, now we have nice image. So maybe we can take one of them, maybe this one, last one, upscale, good. Okay, save image, download. Now we are going to go to this the same one. Okay, so text to image, upload file, choose this one. Okay, generate. So if you look here, we have 97 seconds left. Every video have 4 seconds, 100 seconds. Okay, 25 video maybe. Whoa, but he changed the size of this. Okay, because he create the leg for this one. So if I choose maybe one of those photo which I create, this one for example, maybe we can choose number 2. Okay, save, download, go to this website, scale, upload file, maybe we can see this one, generate. Now look, if you look here, 93. Okay, whoa. Really so nice, I love it. Okay, maybe you can animate any video, boy, imagine handsome girl in front of school and was big and picture style, walking with her girlfriend and AR 16:9 8K ultra details. Okay, create. Nice. So maybe I will take this one to see how can resolve this crowd simulation. Okay, maybe we can take this one, upscale, zoom out a little bit. Okay, because we need to show this feet. U4. Okay, down, save image, image to text, upload. Okay, generate. Let's see. Wow, look, but يعني nice. Maybe old library, old book, broken door, and dog, and old man, ultra realistic, cinematic shot, AR, 16 by 9. Okay, if you working, for example, in the commentary, maybe you can animate your image. If you have YouTube or something like that, you want to make a cover photo, make speak, you don't need to appear with your head. Maybe you can create an image and insert it and convert it to movie. Okay, so let's see, for example, something like that. Maybe we can take this image and see this particle. How can we play with this one? Or maybe we can take first one, up scale, and number 3. You can make short movie from this image. Okay, save as. Okay, and this one again, save image, and this old man. After that we can generate. Wait a little bit. So now if you look here, whoa, oh my gosh. Okay, so look, not realistic, but he animated. Okay, I didn't leave this video, but okay, let's see another one. Generate video. Let's see this one. Generate. Okay, so let's test this one. Wow, wow, really, I love it. I love this result. Okay, a strange creature, 3D picture style, in forest, ultra details. Let's see what he will make with this image. Okay, so take this one and let's see. Take this one and this one. I will play with this and this one. Okay, so we will start with UV4 and we need to make take this one. So let's go to our this website. Not okay, upscale, text to video, upload, animate, generate. Okay, let's test what he will do with this creature. Let's see. Whoa. Oh. But look, because this is not normal character, but really, look, maybe we can try with another. So I think maybe we can look for this one. Okay, this one, just I need to don't change the scale. I need to play with just fire. Okay, so generate video. home text upload okay, upload, play. If you look here now, we have some of them, they are working nice, maybe something like that. Okay, some of them is not working nice, maybe this one. Okay, because he create R. Maybe if you look to another video, so we have a lot of video. So I think the best video, I think this result. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe for my channel and like for my video. See you in the next video. Take care. Assalamu alaikum.